Hi everyone. My name is Daniel, and today I am gonna show you another tutorial video using the glass files. And what a tutorial I want to show you is on how to post a video on a glass file. You may be thinking it's easy to post a video on the glass file, but it's it's easy, but it's not. It's a little bit confusing posting videos on the glass files. So posting video on the glass files, I'm gonna show you. Let's just get into it. So you have to have a glass file account, and you go to create video. So on the glass files it says link to video. So and right here it says find URL link to your video and enter in this box. Example, you can use YouTube or Vimeo. So on you can use either YouTube or Vimeo to link your video and put it on a glass file, which will show a preview right here. And I'm going to be using YouTube to do that. So, and you could also have your YouTube account to do that. So I advise you use YouTube, because if you use Vimeo, I think you have to pay. I think Vimeo is not free, but I advise you to use YouTube because it's much easier if you use YouTube. So let's get into it. You have to have a YouTube account, definitely a YouTube channel too. You have to create a YouTube channel. Like this is my profile picture and stuff. So when you go view, when you click on your channel right here, it's gonna take you to this to the site on YouTube, and you press manage video. Then it's gonna go to another tab and show you your like it says studio, your studio for your YouTube channel. Like it shows you your videos, your draft and stuff. So you have to have a video you want to post. For example, I want to post a video on YouTube. I'm going to click on create, upload video, and I'm going to select files. And make sure that your file that you select is MP4 or like either any of the file type except from MOV or FOV, because YouTube don't accept those type of files when you post them on YouTube. So like this file I want to put on, like sharing the glass file, I could put it on YouTube because it's let me show you, it's a MP4 file. So I can post this and put this on YouTube. So I press open, then he uploads, like it doesn't upload, it just these are the stuff you have to do before you publish it or you put it on your channel. So let's say sharing on the glass file. I'm gonna say sharing on the glass files. So you put a description about what you are talking about, like in the video, or you could put a link to your social network or a link to your dashboard on glass files. And you could make sure you do the necessary stuff on here by, like, you can say yes, it's for kids, or no, it's not, and next, then next. And this part, you can either put your video as an unlisted video or a public video. The difference between both of them is that if you put it as public, everyone could see it if they search for this video. But if you put it as unlisted, only the people with the link can see it. So if you don't want other people to see it except from the people on glass files, you can put it as unlisted and copy the link and put it on the glass files. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to put this video as unlisted and save. So I'm gonna copy the link, close, this is it right here, then go to the glass file and put it in here. Then it's gonna show the video right here, and it works.
To glass.
It works on the so you don't have to post it publicly on YouTube. You can just put it as unlisted and put the link in here, and it's gonna work. So and you could also put it as public, and it's still gonna work. So let's say you want to change it. I'm gonna say you want to change it. Go to details, put it as public, and done. You could put it as public, but make sure to don't put it as private, because it's not gonna work. Because if you put it as private and you press done and you go back here, copy the link, go back here and paste it, it's not gonna work. It's just that this video was already previewed. So if you try using a private link, it's not gonna work. You either use unlisted and private, because that's the best chance it's gonna work on the glass file. So I put on the link right here. Let me change this, and short description about the video you posted, the location, the date, any tag you want to put, and create item. Then it's gonna post it on your glass files, and if they click on the video, they can watch the video on the glass file, and they could also click on the link that would take them straight to your channel on YouTube right here. So it's that easy. So that's how to post a video on glass files. Thank you.